Best deals. In today's video, let's review some of the trending kitchen cookware set. Using the right kitchen cookware is crucial for several reasons, including achieving consistent cooking results, improving the taste and texture of food, and even retaining nutrients. High-quality cookware is designed to distribute heat evenly, preventing hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Tadka Pan. The medical stone material ensures rapid and even heat conduction, making cooking faster and more efficient. The beechwood handle is heat insulated and non-slip, providing a comfortable and secure grip while cooking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Paniyaram Pan. Perfect for making up paniyarakkal, egg and cheese balls, chocolate walnut muffins, spicy veg Manchurian and many more. Frying pan is rugged. You can confidently use metal ladles without worrying about damaging its surface. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Non-stick tawa. It is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame, enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tope. Unique 2-in-1 elliptical rim, broad to safely grip, pour and carry hot food, and narrow for easy pour and easy grip with tongs, stackable, space-saver design, fit into each other, frees up space in modern kitchens, crafted from tri-ply stainless steel which is food grade, hygienic, spreads heat evenly. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Casserole. Made from durable quality steel, the functional and leak-proof lid of the casseroles with an easy grip which can be opened or shut with a simple motion and trap the heat effectively inside the casserole. Double-walled inner stainless steel casserole keeps food hot and fresh for hours. The exclusive metallized foil, unique design and elegant shape enhances your dining decor and thus makes it a must-have casserole for your home. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mini Waffle Maker. The small size of our mini waffle maker means it won't take up precious counter space, making it perfect for busy households. Encourage your kids to customize their waffles with nutritious toppings like fruits, nuts, or yogurt, making breakfast both fun and healthy. Mini Waffle Maker heats up quickly, allowing you to create delicious waffles in no time. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your family. The non-stick cooking surface ensures that waffles come out easily, making it simple for kids to help out in the kitchen and develop their cooking skills. The non-stick surface also means less mess and easy cleanup. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Dosa Tawa. It comes with stainless steel stay-cool handles, so you can cook safely without worrying about burning your hands. Quick and uniform heat distribution with no hot spots for quick and healthy cooking. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Anodized Handi. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. Ideal for making biryani and other gravies. The riveted cool touch handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Comes with hard anodized lid to protect covering of food and also to reduce the cooking time. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Roti Tawa. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Ideal for quick snacks like for making uttapam, fried eggs, aloo tikki, fish fry and many more. Suitable for use on gas, electric, ceramic and halogen. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cooker. Made of 3 layers of 100% food-safe materials, this tri-ply stainless steel pressure cooker is totally free from toxic coatings and artificial chemicals. The premium quality stainless steel pressure cooker is fully made of 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Food-grade stainless steel layer on the top makes its surface non-reactive. The aluminum core enables even heat distribution as well as helps in quick and consistent heating, with no contact with food. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Non-stick cookware set. Enjoy peace of mind with a non-toxic, PFOA-free non-stick coating that promotes healthier cooking without the risk of harmful chemicals leaching onto your food. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Pop-up toaster. Wake up to savor light, crunchy and evenly crisp, deliciously buttered toast with your favorite sides of jam and peanut butter using premium bread toaster and bun warmer. This 950W powerhouse features auto bread centering technology, providing fast and uniform heating. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Egg boiler. This user-friendly egg boiler has a built-in auto shut-off feature that turns it off as soon as the egg is boiled and the LED indicator tells when the boil is done. This comes with detachable parts that make it extremely easy to clean and wash with detergent and a sponge. It comes with a measuring cup that lets you measure the appropriate amount of water for each kind of boil and has a built-in pin to pierce the eggs before cooking to prevent cracking. The egg boiler is designed in a space-saving manner so it can fit in compact spaces like kitchenettes, dorm rooms and cabinets, and when not in use, it can easily be stored on shelves. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cast iron tawa. No chemical coating on inner or outer surface. The grill and griddle pan is pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Regular seasoning creates a chemical-free natural non-stick surface for low-oil cooking and prevents the food from sticking. Flat surface on one side, and grill ridges on the other. Flat tawa for making dosas, rotis, chilla, uttappam, etc., and ridged grill for searing, roasting, and barbecue. Uni-body one-piece design with easy pouring lips on the grill side. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Roaster. Made of high-grade stainless steel materials and high-quality mesh wire, and easy to clean, great for making pulka, roti, chapati, papad bengan bharta and more, and featuring a robust broad-rimmed framework design, the wire can be perfectly tucked in the frame. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Casserole. Made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame, casserole is perfect to store or serve stew, biryani, rice, in hot condition. The casserole is made from cast aluminum body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Casserole set. Meant for serving and storing purpose, it is very important that the casserole has a user-friendly design that gives you an ease while serving food. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Air fryer. Patented rapid air technology with unique starfish design pan ensures evenly fried results without flipping the food, has 60 minutes timer with auto off. Wide temperature control from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. Not just fries, now make aloo tikkis, roast chicken, grilled vegetables, chocolate cakes, muffins and many more dishes. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Frying pan. Cook your way from breakfast to dinner and everything in between. This electric skillet with lid is powered by 1500 watts and made of high-quality aluminum body that conducts heat well for efficient, faster and better cooking. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Frying pan. The absence of any chemical will ensure that there is no release of any toxic or harmful fumes during cooking. The induction base with smaller perforation boosts faster cooking while helping you have lower electricity consumption on induction cooktops. Product link is given in the 20th link.